Yes, good morning class. We have learned about chapter number 4. It is metals and non-metals materials. In the last previous chapter we have learned about the metal replace metal from its solution. So when we talk about magnesium, it replaces copper from the copper sulfate solution. That is magnesium sulfate and copper sulfate. Copper sulfate solution is blue in color, whereas magnesium sulfate solution is colorless. So due to more reactivity, magnesium replaces the copper when we talk about particular. So it replaces copper. And when we talk about zinc, zinc replaces copper from copper sulfate solution, which gives zinc sulfate and copper. And iron, due to more reactivity, it replaces copper and it gives green color solution of the iron sulfate and along with copper. So based on reactivity of metal, they can be arranged in the decreasing order of their reactivity. So we now also learn about the reactivity series. It is nothing but the arranging of the metals in decreasing order of the reactivity is known as reactivity series theory. So when we talk about potassium, sodium, magnesium, manganese, these are the most reactive metal. These are the most reactive metal. From the more reactivity, they are arranging in the least reactivity. So that is known as least reactivity metals. So this is known as what reactivity series. What is reactivity series? There is arrangement of the metals in the decreasing order of the reactivity. That means from the more reactive to the least reactive. So that is known as reactivity series. Now when we talk about the noble metals, see metals like gold, silver, platinum, they retain their luster because they do not react with any of the chemicals like air, water or acids. So we are known as what? Noble metals. Gold is a liquid solution, children. Aqua regia we have learned that. Aqua regia is a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated hydrochloric acid. That is 1 volume of nitric acid and 3 volume of the which acid? Hydrochloric acid. 24 karat gold is pure. It is very soft and cannot be used for making ornaments. So what happened? We have mixed some silver or copper metal into it to make it hard. So that is known as alloy. Okay, then we have mixed one or more metal to strengthen the particular property of the main metal. It is known as alloys. So alloys is the mixture of two or more metals, or you can write that one metal or non-metal. So when we will talk about this, that is known as what? Noble metals, गोल्ड है, सिल्वर है, प्लेटिनियम है, उसकी प्रॉपर्टी चेंज नहीं करेंगे. दे रिटेन देयर सरफेस साइन. उसकी सरफेस में कोई चेंज होगा नहीं. या तो वो ऑयल के साथ रिएक्ट कर ले, या तो बेस, या तो एसिड, या तो कोई भी केमिकल के साथ रिएक्ट करे, तो उनकी प्रॉपर्टी में कोई चेंज होगा नहीं. तो ऐसे मेटल्स को बोला जाएगा नोबल मेटल्स, इनएक्टिव मेटल्स. एक्वा रिजिया में गोल्ड डिजॉल्व होता है. तो एक्वा रिजिया क्या है? इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ concentrated nitric acid and concentrated hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid कितने वॉल्यूम में होगा? 3 वॉल्यूम ऑफ concentrated hydrochloric acid HCl and 1 वॉल्यूम ऑफ nitric acid that is HNO3. ये मिक्सचर में गोल्ड क्या होगा? डिजॉल्व होगा. अब जो हमें गोल्ड मिला वो 24 कैरेट गोल्ड होगा. दैट मीन्स इट्स वेरी सॉफ्ट. You cannot make the ornaments from it. That means it cannot be molded into thin wires or sheets. So what happened? Such amount of silver or copper is going to be added in that 24 karat gold and it becomes 22 karat gold and which is free for making ornaments. Ornaments बनाने के लिए जो भी कैरेट है गोल्ड के वो है 22 karat gold. That means it is a mixture of gold and either silver or either copper. It is the symbol of silver. So that is all about aqua regia and gold. Now we learn about the uses. That's the very last topic of this chapter, children. And then after we will just do the exercise as well as the English questions, which is written. Iron. Iron is used for making pins, nails, nut bolts. That means it is used in the machinery part, construction of the buildings and bridges. Aluminium. आप खाना जो फॉइल पेपर में लाते हो किससे बनती है? एल्यूमिनियम. That means it is used in just making packing of food in the form of the foil paper, making utensils, wires, furniture, parts of aircrafts, एरोप्लेन के पार्ट्स बनाने में यूज होता है, व्हीकल्स में यूज होता है, मशीनरी में as well as it is also used in medicines. Now copper. Copper is used for making wires, vessels and electric gadgets. Gold. It is used for making jewelries, coins and medals. Silver again the same like gold, and platinum also having same. It is also used for electric gadgets. Sodium. It is a compound used for making common salt and other chemicals. Calcium. It is used for cement, glass. Calcium is a very essential कंपोनेंट ऑफ आवर बॉडी. हमारे जो बोन्स है उसमें भी कैल्शियम है, और टीथ में सबसे ज़्यादा कैल्शियम रहता है, कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट के फॉर्म में. सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट व्हाट यूजेस ऑफ मैटर. यू जस्ट हैव अ लुक ऑन इट. यू कैन कॉपी इट आल्सो इन द टेक्स्ट बुक फ्रॉम द पीपीटी इन योर नोटबुक. Iron in the use of machinery, construction of buildings, bridges. Aluminium it is used for making utensils, wire, parts of airplane or aircrafts, vehicles, machines. Copper is used for making wires, vessels and electric gadgets. Gold, silver, platinum, making jewelry and coins. Rather than that, platinum is used as a electrical gadgets also. Sodium used for making compounds like common salt, sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate. Calcium is a compound which is calcium is a component which is used for making compound like cement है, glass है. सबसे मैंने बोला कैल्शियम हमारे बोन्स में सबसे ज़्यादा है, एज वेल हमारे टीथ में उसका जो परसेंटेज है कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट के फॉर्म में, इसीलिए हमारे दांत टूटते नहीं. नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉक अबाउट यूजेस ऑफ नॉन मेटल. सल्फर. Sulfur is used for making sulfuric acid and salts of metals. Oxygen. Respiration by living things. It is an essential gas which is required for breathing process. The otherwise then burning of fuels. Nitrogen used for making ammonia which is used as a fertilizers. Hydrogen used for making ammonia which is used for making fertilizer as a fuel in rockets, or it is also used in the welding purpose. Oxyacetylene flame is used as a welding purpose. Chlorine, it is used to kill the germs from water, and that's why it is used in the chlorination process to purify the water. Iodine, tincture of iodine. Tincture of iodine क्या है? Iodine which is dissolved in alcohol. Iodine dissolved in alcohol. तो iodine dissolved in alcohol है जिसमें ये यूज हुआ है एज एन एंटीसेप्टिक. सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट द यूजेस ऑफ मैटर एज वेल एज नॉन मैटर. सो नेक्स्ट इज अलॉयज. अलॉय मैंने अभी बोला इट इज अ होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर ऑफ मैटर विद अदर मैटर्स और नॉन मैटर. यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ अलॉयज लिखे हैं. स्टील है, स्टेनलेस स्टील है, ब्रास, ब्रोन, एल्निको है, ड्यूरेलियम है. तो स्टील क्या है? आयरन के साथ कार्बन का मिक्सचर है. जो आयरन अकेला है वो इजीली रस्ट हो जाता है. रस्ट ना हो, आयरन के मटेरियल बिगड़े ना, जल्दी खराब ना हो, इसलिए उसके अंदर क्या किया जाता है? नॉन मेटल विच इज नोन एज कार्बन. सो दैट इज द यूजेस. यू कैन सी कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ टूल्स, मशीन, देन टैंक्स, व्हीकल्स, शिप्स, रेल्स, बिल्डिंग, ब्रिजेस, बेंच बनाने में यूज होता है. स्टेनलेस स्टील यूज होता है. आयरन एंड क्रोमियम यूटेंसिल्स बनाने में यूज होता है, या तो कटलरी में, सर्जिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट इससे बनते हैं. ब्रास, कॉपर एंड जिंक का मिक्सचर है. यूटेंसिल्स, हैंडक्राफ्ट, म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट, जो भी वायरिंग है इसके जो भी पर्टिकुलर वायर्स हैं जिससे बनते हैं. ब्रोंज गार्डन जिसकी हम बात करते हैं वो मिक्सचर है कॉपर एंड टीन का. स्टैचूज बनाने में यूज होता है. मेडल्स मैंने अभी बोला कि वो मेडल्स बनाने में यूज होता है. बेल्स और ऑर्नामेंट्स बनाने में यूज होता है. एल्निको इज द मिक्सचर ऑफ आयरन, एल्यूमिनियम, निकल एंड कोबाल्ट. यू कैन सी हियर EL. Here is the symbol of aluminium. First two letters you can see nickel and I, two symbols cobalt and iron. So making of magnet बनाने में यूज होता है. ड्यूरेलियम इज द मिक्सचर ऑफ एल्यूमिनियम, कॉपर, मैग्नीशियम एंड मैंगनीज. सो यूटेंसिल्स है, प्रेशर कुकर्स है, व्हीकल्स के पार्ट्स हैं या तो एरोप्लेन के पार्ट बनाने में ये यूज होता है ड्यूरेलियम. सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट एलॉय. एलॉय इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ मैटर विद अदर मैटर और नॉन मैटर एंड इट इज होमोजीनियस इन नेचर. होमोजीनियस का मीनिंग है आप कोई सेपरेट लेयर देखोगे नहीं. सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट व्हाट metals and non-metals. Which are the necessary conditions for correlation? So here we have a particular activity in which we are having rusting of iron. So we have taken 3 test tubes, children, and we have just closed it with a cork. iron nail in each of the beaker, and we are taking calcium chloride, we have taken water, and we have taken only the particular no solution is there in the third test tube. So what happened when we checked it? You just see here, when you just check that test tube after 3 or 4 days, it has been seen that first and second test tube have no rusting, whereas the last test tube is having a rusting due to the presence of air as well as water. So when we talk about that particular, so that is all about when we talk about we will talk about necessary condition for corrosion, that is presence of air and so रस्टिंग के लिए जो भी या तो corrosion के लिए जो भी necessary condition है वो क्या होगी, it is presence of air as well as water. Thank you. In the next module we just solve the exercise as well as the next questions.